Hello,
Hello, Emma. It's so
how are
nice to
you?
see you here.
Thank you, likewise. What's your name?
My name is Anuj.
Anuj. Nice to meet you.
I don't know why, but mostly people, when they call my name, they they call me Anju. Even the
Anju.
very good teacher. Recently, a teacher told me, "Hi, Anju," and I said that no, it's Anuj. But thank you so
Ah,
much. You call my name so perfectly,
I
Anuj.
always ask what this person's name is because I know there's a good possibility I'll mispronounce it. So to hear you say it, then
It
I'll
happens.
try to repeat it. So Anuj,
It
yeah.
also happens. It also happens when the name is rare. Okay, because my
Mm.
name in my circle in my village, it's only me whose name is Anuj. So it's a
Ah,
rare name.
okay.
Yes, and Anju is a common name of a girl. So it is quite
Oh,
just yes, that's why. Just the
okay.
changing in the place of letters in the name.
Okay. And what does Anuj mean, or why did your parents choose to name you that?
Okay, actually, my name Anuj. My father, my name was given by my father actually. So Anuj means younger, and the another meaning of Anuj is a kid, a child who is born later. So I'm the younger one. That's why my father put my name Anuj.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Nice. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have just one elder brother
Ah,
and me.
okay.
Overall two. Yes. And how is Emma?
Emma's good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Yeah,
Great.
yeah, excited to hear from you. How can I help you specifically for this call? Do you just want to have a conversation, or do you have any topics in
I like.
mind?
Actually, I haven't decided any topic at this time to have a casual conversation. And that's why, yes, I thought let's talk to Emma. And
Nice.
so, first of all, tell me that where are you from and where are you
Uh,
now?
okay, yes, the two very good questions because probably a lot of cambly teachers have different answers
Yes,
for both.
many
So,
teachers.
yep. But I'm one of them in that situation. I was born in
Okay.
Texas in the United States, and currently I'm living in Turkey.
Okay. So, how long
Yeah.
did you have you been there? I mean,
I've been living and coming to Turkey for 3 years. Sometimes I'll leave, sometimes I'll come back, and I recently returned in September of 2022. So this time it's been about
okay.
4 months now. Um, yeah. Yeah. What about yourself? Where are you from and where do you live now?
Okay. So, I'm from India and the state called Bihar, if you know.
Hmm.
Yes. So, I come from Bihar in India. And
Okay.
I live at a village. It's a small village, and I live at a village.
Okay. And is the village in Bahar?
Yes, exactly,
Okay.
exactly. But
And
it's in the outskirt.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, in the outskirts of Bahar. And which part of, I've never heard of Bahar, so pardon my ignorance, but which
Okay, so
part of
I can
India
give.
is it in?
Okay, so I can give you a clue. Actually, Bihar is in the northeast. Okay, the location is in the northeast of India.
Mm.
And for more information, I would say that the border of my state, it touches with the Nepal. So
Ah,
Nepal is in
okay,
the quite
okay.
yes, right north of our state.
Okay. And is
We
there
can
like
enter in the
oh go ahead.
Nepal. We can enter in the Nepal without any document, without visa. So it's free.
Oh, that's
Did
nice. And
did you
it,
get what I said?
yep, absolutely. Yeah, I was curious. I was going to ask, is there like a mix of like Indian and Nepalese culture in Bihar?
Haven't you ever person from Bihar so far,
No,
Hannah?
I
Okay.
think you may be my first Anush that I know of.
I'm your first Anuj.
Yes, this is true. My first Anush in
Okay, I'm
Bihar.
okay. You mean the first person from Bihar?
I believe so. Yes.
That's cool. What do you like being in Turkey?
What do I like about it?
Yeah.
Um, I like the people and the culture and the nature and the history. Um, yeah, I like that it's different from American culture, but similar. So, um, yeah, stuff
So
like
you
that, I
you
guess.
okay, so you randomly chose the place to live here, or there was any specific reason for coming
Uh,
here?
yeah, good question. Thanks. I
Because
came. Oh, good.
there are a lot of people who want to live in USA, right?
Mhm.
But you lived USA and you are in Turkey now. So there must be any reason behind it.
Yeah, sure. So I've been living outside of the U.S. for it's about
Hmm.
6 years now, 5, 6 years. Um, but in I think it was 2018, I was living in
Okay.
Vietnam teaching English, and I got
In
an English
2018.
teach. Yeah, yep. Um,
Okay.
so I got an English teaching job in Turkey, and I came to Turkey for that. I didn't like the job, but I really liked Turkey, and just always found myself coming back. And
Okay. It's also
so,
good that sometimes not for the work, but for the place you are living there.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. And so
So
I've just
this
been,
is the condition in your case.
yep. And what about yourself? Like, what do you do for work? And or are you in school? Like, what's your life like?
All right. So I completed my college in 2018. Okay. And right that time, I was preparing for a government exam after finishing my college. And then on the other hand, I was also thinking of being a YouTuber because I like to teach.